Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I'm going to be opening some Happy Mail from my friend Teresa. She's Chasing Creativity on Instagram and on YouTube. I'll have her link down below, so you guys please go show her some love. She's really trying to put a huge effort into her channel this year and her Instagram, so if you guys go and show her some love, I would really appreciate it. But we usually send each other packages like at the end of the year. We always, throughout the holidays, everybody gets busy, so we just put a lot of stuff into one bag. So there's a mixture of holidays in here, and yeah, so let's open it up. I only took off the tape and the addresses, all the information. I have not seen absolutely nothing, so let's get into it. See what we have here. I'm going to take everything out and then move away the box. Oh, how cute. This is like a big, it's like another box in here. So this is how she wrapped it up. So cute. There's a little card, which I will read on my own. And let's see what we got here. I will definitely be saving this pink ribbon. You guys know I save everything from packaging, as well as this tissue paper. You guys, look at this box. How cute is this? And it's like a little suitcase. Oh my gosh. No wonder she wanted me to open it on camera. Well, on video. You guys, look at the ears. They're like faux leather. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And look. Oh, look at the little tail in the back. Oh, this box is adorable, and I have nothing like this. So cute, and it's pink. Okay, so we're gonna open it this way, because this is where the, hopefully I'm opening it the right way. You guys, look at this. She stuffed it with so many goodies. So she sent me, there's like confetti here. She sent me some snow and cocoa pom-poms. Super cute little Valentine's Day cupcakes. I don't have these, and I don't have these, you guys. I have a bunch of stuff, and I don't have the pom-poms to this collection. Super cute, and everything smells so good. Look at these cute little bows. I love these. I love bows. She sent me a die, you guys. Is this like a luggage tag? What is this? I think, let me see. It's a credit card sleeve and tag. Oh, I don't have this either. Thank you so much, Teresa. Oh my God. I definitely have to play with this. I think I could come up with something for Valentine's with this die. Oh, she sent me the snow and cocoa washi. Don't have this either. Look at that. I don't have this. What else we have here? Oh, we have some chipboard eyelashes. I do not know how she managed to send me stuff that I don't have. I think it's because we talk so much. She already knows me. Look at these cute little embellishments that I think she made. Oh, these are adorable. I love the colors. So cute. Then there's this little bag in here. Let's see what's in here. I will be saving this bag. Oh, how cute. I think she posted something of this. Look at these. It's like a little cluster. There's a little heart, a little phone, these little like wine rings, cute little tassel, and some samples of washi that I don't have. Oh, this is so cute. I love this. Oh my gosh, she stuffed this so much. Look, you guys, how cute. No problem, llama. It's a little doodle pop. Cute little lamb. Oh my gosh, I can't get over how cute this box is. Some rock candy. My daughter is going to love that. Is this a bath bomb like on a stick? Look at this, you guys. It says Simple Pleasures Relax Paradise Spa Scented Bath Fizzer. And it's like on a lollipop stick. So cute. And then she sent me this cute little bag, which has like those little heart rosettes and a bunch of doilies. Look at that, you guys. These are like the doodlebug ones. Some pink ones, some red ones, some black ones, and blue ones. Like those. Oh, she sent me another one of those little fizz pops, the heart ones in pink. So now I got a purple one and a pink one. So cute. I think, yep, I think this is what makes the box smell. Yummy. Some cute little heart like filling. There's a bunch of confetti. Look at that, you guys. So cute. And there's a, oh, she sent me a little mini album. I wanted one of these and she told me she was gonna send me one, and look how cute. I love this. I totally want to alter this. Oh, I didn't know it was by We Are Memory Keepers. I totally want to alter this and make it into my December daily. It's small and I just want to do something. I still want to put something together because I never used my Merry Days collection. So I want to end up doing a quick little December daily for this year. Thank you. That is so cool. And look, you guys, some more little embellishments. I don't want to open anything up because I haven't taken any pictures. And of course, I need some pictures. She sent me another package of the little chipboard eyelashes. And then, you guys, she hooked me up because when this stamp was going around on Instagram, nobody could find it. Well, I couldn't find it. I don't have a Hobby Lobby near me. And she found it for me and sent it to me. Look how cute. It's the little eyelash stamp. I love it. Oh, this is so cute. She sent me some pink glitter. Girl, thank you so much. I love everything. Look at this cute little pink bell. A little tassel. And then, of course, all this cute little packaging that I will be, the little crinkles that I will be saving for future Happy Mail. But oh my gosh, you guys, she sent me so many amazing things. I absolutely love everything. Teresa, if you're watching, thank you so much. I will be texting you right after this video. And stay tuned for the box that she's going to open on her channel that I'm going to send her. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Hit that bell to be notified whenever I upload a video. And I love you guys so much. And I will catch you on the next video.